Yeah, man, it's Gucci, man. It's lit. It's live. You know what I mean? Niggas is blowing right now. You feel me? Shoot, it's 6:17 in the afternoon. This blunt is going down. Y'all see it, man? I'm real fitted. Cousin real fitted, man. Y'all see it? This nigga just went shopping, man. Got my speaker right here, man.
Favorite tackies.
Yeah, man. Yeah, they like those on IG, man. Look at my tackies, man. I know y'all like those on IG. I got hecka likes. You know what I mean? Cousin like them, man. This is what we do, man. Jesus gang, man. Golly Rich gang. Golly Rich bands, man. You know what I mean? Man, what could I say, man? This is real golly stuff, man. This is a real godly movement, man.
God on the cross. You hear me, though?
God on the cross, man. People rolling by. It's real lit and real live, man. You feel me? Shoot, look at that. Cracking. Perfect video, man. Smoking, man. Jesus gang, man. Jesus gang until I can't see no more, man. Until you puppets, man, y'all gonna get it, man. You feel me? I'm tired of y'all mocking our religion, mocking our stuff.
$9 drop. Back with another one. Fuck the engine. The bitch is a hoe. Fuck you, bitch. Use a thought. I don't want you. Never did. As you can see, I'm iced out because of you. Played you, bitch. Punk bitch.
Never would love you and never did love you.
Never love it. You never love a bitch. Never. Nope. Only thing I love is my fucking money. And God. Because God gave me money. And he gave me talent. Motherfucker. It ain't from the devil. Fuck the devil. He's a bitch. Yeah. Nigga that way, bitch.
And I hear you I hear you people, you know what I mean, that be on Facebook. I know a dude was on there and he smoked some weed and he didn't know how to act, and then y'all people said devil grass, nigga. It's not devil grass, nigga. It's people that don't know how to act when they smoke or drink, you feel me? They ass don't need to be on that. Nigga, weed is for people that can handle it.
Like us.
And like all the other people that smoke it. Now, some people is gonna act stupid. Don't smoke spice, man. You feel me? Spice is no good, man. I'm gonna tell.
That might have been spice. That nigga was tripping off that.
I got plenty of memory in this phone to do this.
Oh yeah.
Smoke that, bro, cause I got plenty. I gotta finish up this video.
Bag, yeah, I'm out here stunning those bitch ass niggas. What you mean? Nigga?
Put that in your mouth. Stuff.
Fuck Rob, fuck you, nigga. I'm gonna come back and snipe your bitch ass in the show, nigga.
Hit that blunt. That chop, man. Clock is on 3:35, man. Y'all know what it is, man. Time is money, man. You feel me?
Know what it is, nigga. I collect up with the mafia, nigga.
You feel me?
Headshots, bitch.
You feel me?
Nigga,
So
fuck Rob, nigga. If I catch you, nigga, I bust your head open, bitch. Nigga. Yeah.
telling you, man. And y'all people that's out here killing our people, man. You feel me? We see what y'all doing, man. Y'all killing our people, man. You feel me? And and this one goes to Donald Trump and the KKK, man.
Oh shit.
I'm telling you, man. I got a homie. His name is AJ Frazier. This nigga is in Atlanta. He messed with the Black Panthers, man. So Donald Trump, y'all want it? Man, I'm telling you, man. We ain't playing.
I'm out here flashing on nigga. You hear me though? Hear me though? Out here with the
nigga Gucci'd up, man. You feel me? Gucci'd up, man. You feel me? Got these. You feel me? We gonna have a good day, a good night, man. You feel me? It's gonna be a good one, man. Try to get some more weed.
hair stuff from Dollar General.